welcome to Adventures with Edna. I'm Chance.
I'm Chris.
And today, where are we going?
We're doing a leisurely adventure where we're going to check out a couple of abandoned buildings and a couple of vintage race cars.
You told me we were going to see abandoned buildings?
Yeah.
Awesome.
What's this glare? Is that a glare? Chance has missed the last few videos, so we wanted to make sure we just did something fun. Plus it's raining, so we're definitely not doing cab mounts today.
That looks like a good place to go one day. Wait, look, it looks like our BMW.
It is. It's even a 540i.
Exactly.
With the same wheels. Might have to stop and look at that on the way back.
Okay.
What was that place?
I don't know. We'll go back out. We're going to go back the same way, right?
Yeah. All right, so we're right here at the Cross Anchor Post Office. And there's a couple of old abandoned buildings right here. And another one down there. I think we'll just walk over to that one. So let's check everything out.
Yeah. Do you think we'll be able to go inside of them?
Don't know. No. This one's pretty neat looking.
Yeah.
Cross Anchor Lodge.
It's locked. Look how much grass has grown on the stairs, Dad.
Yeah. It's a little bit of a jump. Can you see him? A little bit, yeah.
Looks like it used to be like a stage.
You want your picture in front of it?
Sure. Good thing.
Well, this one says posted, so I might not want to get too close.
Why? What does that mean?
It says no trespassing. Look at that. It must be.
Look over here, Dad.
The roof must have fallen in.
Look, Dad. Let me see the camera. Looks like there's a lot of stuff that's fallen and breaking because how old it is, probably weather too. Also looks like there's a tree either growing in it or fell in it or something. Probably growing, it's still green. Dad, I think stuff is growing in it.
Looks like it. There's trees in there.
There's a tree in there, like a whole tree in there. And the leaves are still green.
I don't think those blinds survived. Wonder what this building used to be.
Maybe it was like a hotel or something?
Maybe. Yellow jacket nest 1 foot from pole. Okay, so don't go too close to that.
I wonder what's in that can. You see the big can right there? I wonder what's in that.
The sign on the first building is pretty cool.
Cross Anchor Lodge 262 AFM Jack A. Marler. Grand Master of Masons. AD 2005 AF.
Alright, so that was the first two buildings.
Disgusting.
We're gonna walk up ahead. There's another abandoned building that's fallen in just down the street.
Yeah,
About a block up.
That one. The one that looks like a school.
All right, here's the other building.
Post office road.
Hi. Good. I'm not. Yeah.
How many questions?
That's neat. Look at the way the bricks have eroded away. That's just crazy looking right there.
What? How it's like broken on the inside?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like that over here too. She on drugs? She's crazy.
Huh?
She seems kind of crazy. Look how, Dad, look, it's like the number 2. See it? There's also 1. Maybe there was more of these. This is the 21st one.
Did it say 21?
It looked like it. Paint's probably gone away. Ew, Dad, look at that wing.
I wonder what this building was.
It could have been like a car wash from how long and straight it is.
A car wash?
Yeah. I don't know, I'm just guessing. Lost dog.
Here, go stand in the middle of it.
Okay. Dad.
Yeah?
I think the girl over there, like, said, "How are you doing?" in, like, 5 different ways. You guys doing all right? How you doing? Hey, you guys doing all right?
And then right across the street here, there's a couple old race cars.
That looks so cool, though. What's this thing? Restaurant?
It's online. Yeah, it's called Mama T's Country Store, but it says it's temporarily closed on Google. I guess this was like a vintage gas station.
We gotta cross the street. Do you want to cross the street?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is kind of like what the gassers were. These are probably getting worked on, though. I don't know if we want to get too close. I don't really want to be trespassing.
I think it's still property, Dad.
That's like a 57 Chevy there.
I wonder if that's the lost dog.
And that's probably a 55 or 56.
What happened to the end of this?
It's just taking off. Maybe they're planting it on one of these or something.
That one looks like a race car.
Yeah. That's just the body there. That one looks like it's being worked on because it doesn't look super old or anything.
Plus, it's also lifted up. And it looks like the tires are, plus there's more wires in it.
I guess it was green originally.
Yeah. Unless that's what they're trying to make it. Let's go check out the other one now.
Alright, we're back over here where we parked Edna. We're going to drive around the corner to the other spot. Alright, so we're right here at the second spot, which is only right around the corner, literally. It was just a little bit further to walk than we wanted to walk. So we just moved Edna.
Dad, there's a race car. You think these are being worked on?
Probably. Like, this is probably a shop. It didn't have a name on it. And it didn't show up as anything on Google Maps. But on Google Maps, one of the doors is halfway open, but all these same cars are here.
Maybe they're not working on them then. They're all still here.
Yeah, you could be right.
But it does look like they've mowed. See?
Old Impala.
Yeah, Dad. I don't think they've been moved for a long time.
I wonder what kind of chassis that is.
What type of what?
Chassis that is.
Oh, I thought you said Chansey.
No, chassis. Like, is it for a Beetle?
Dad, look, there's a swing.
Might be a Beetle.
Look, Dad, there's a swing.
This is pretty neat right here. This is probably a 55 Chevy. I don't know. I'm not real familiar with
There's a
these.
screwdriver in it.
Keeping the door shut.
Oh.
The lever on to open the trunk.
Yeah, I don't want to open it.
Willwood. That's pretty cool. Old Impala.
I wonder if we can open up the garage.
I'm not opening up the garage. It's a good way to get arrested. Yeah, there's a Beetle over there.
Let's go to the abandoned school. At least that's what I think it is.
Yeah, interestingly enough, right next door, it looks like an abandoned school.
Let's look at how many windows there are.
There's an old car out back.
The yellow one?
Well, back behind the building. Can't tell what it is. But that's a F100 and a Suburban.
It doesn't say no trespassing.
No, I'm not going to go in there.
Why? Oh, it does.
Right there. We're good as long as we're on the street.
Oh. I just stepped in an ant pile.
You did?
Didn't even notice it.
There's another one right there.
But at least my whole shoe didn't go inside of it. It was just the back of it, which
There's
means
another one
like
right there.
I kind of stepped over it in a way.
There's another one right there. Is this a grave?
But it said Robert Patton, 1868 to 1924. Born in Cross Anchor, South Carolina. How far is that from here?
We're standing in it.
Oh. Where he spends his life as an
Unselfish citizen.
and a friend of children.
I wonder what the building is.
Maybe he was a teacher.
Could be.
What if those cars were his cars? Dad, what if those cars were his cars?
They're not.
Oh, how come? Is that because they're a lot older than when he died?
Because it says that was there in 1937, and those cars are 60s cars.
Oh.
60s and 70s. Well, 70s. But the one out back is probably a little older. I think that's going to do it for this adventure. There's a whole cobweb nest going down there like a tunnel.
A nest?
that's going to do it for this episode of Adventures with Edna. We actually saw this when we went to, because this was on the path, when we went to go see the UFO Welcome Center here in South Carolina. If you haven't seen that video, definitely check it out. So I kind of went back today and looked on Google Maps, because this really isn't that far from where we live. So it was kind of easy to come down here and check it out.
I think it was awesome.
You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, just a couple of cool old buildings and a couple of old cars that was worth coming and taking a quick look at. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.